Today is Wednesday, August 22, 2009, about 8 a.m. This is a video of a small woodpecker. It looks like a woodpecker pecking at the branch, a young one. Either that or it is a pygmy woodpecker pecking at the branch. It's a very small bird, about the size of a man's hand. There's a pair there, and this is the first time I see woodpeckers here. They appear to be woodpeckers because they seem to be pecking at the branches of the tree. Now they are gone. Just flew off when a car came. There's a car which came by, and they were there for 2 or 3 minutes. So that's the only time I can video it, and it is a rare incident, I would say, because this area has not many plants, many trees, and yet I could video the woodpecker pecking the branch. I shall stop now. There's nothing left to video. Today is Wednesday, August 21, 2019, Singapore, Lentor